Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It is Monday, August 28th, 2017, 9:59 p.m. What I have today is a GE 3-speed box fan. It is an interesting fan because I like, I like metal box fans, which this is. However, it has the plastic blades. Now, generally 5-blade, when I see a 5-blade, plastic 5-blade box fan, my initial inclination is to throw it off of a roof. Now, this one here, it's just vintage enough. It's sort of in the interim period between, the old 3-blade metal box fans, of which I own several, and I really like, to the cheap crap of today. So I want to say this is probably from the 70s, so anyway, yeah, it was a habitat find. Went into the back of the Nashua habitat. I always go in the back, employees only entrance, and I asked if they had any fans in the back. They, in the loading dock, and took a look. Wasn't really much of note that was there that hadn't been tested. So as I, ducked under the cord to go out to the main part of the, of the habitat. Right there in front of me, I saw this box fan. So, I, noticed the logo, and then I saw that, said, wow, it's a pretty cool vintage fan. The box itself is metal, the cage is metal. It's only the plastic rotor inside that's, the only plastic part of it. So, besides the handle, this flimsy little plastic handle. Public service announcement here: if you're ever going to carry one of these heavy box fans, I highly recommend not carrying it by the handle. Fortunately, I've never dropped one. I've never had a handle snap on me, but it wouldn't be pretty. This is a pretty heavy fan, and having it fall on your foot, wouldn't be particularly healthy for the fan or for your foot. So, that being said, I'm going to start it off. Going to start it off on low. Medium. And I kicked it up to medium. You can tell this is when the rattling started to manifest itself. This is a fast medium. It's I have a ceiling fan over here, and it's it's moving the blades on the ceiling fan. Now, full speed ahead, Captain. Tell up here, now it's really starting to move my ceiling fan. spin down. That's weird. Now the ceiling fan stopped. Now it's spinning the other way. Interesting. Now, one particular thing about this fan, it has, instead of having the, the knob on the top, where most of them are, this actually has the knob on the side. Okay, the strap's hitched up to the light, so there's no way that's going to happen. Anyway, I'll turn it around to show you that yeah, it's still, it's a pretty heavy motor. I mean, the new stuff today is really light and flimsy, but, I mean, even the blades, these are, they're plastic, but they're, I'm not knocking it. It's a hard plastic, it's a, like a thick, hard plastic that you just, you don't see. The newer ones are just so cheap and flimsy. This is a pretty well built machine right here, and I'm haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or sell it or trade it yet. But like pretty much most of my fans, I'm open to open to offers. I mostly collect ceiling fans, but every so often I'll come across this was a box fan that was just sitting there, and I figured I'd give it a shot. I know someone's gonna want it, even if kind of thinking about using it as a bedroom fan actually, because it's I sleep days and work nights, so it's drown out the other ambient sounds in the neighborhood. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I would really appreciate it if you could click like on this video and subscribe to my page, my YouTube page called The Fancave, and feel free to check out my Facebook page, also called The Fancave. Yeah, my name is Mark Wilson. Some of you may know me from the various Facebook ceiling fan groups, and feel free to shoot me a friend request. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.